Alright, so we're getting ready to throw the motor in. Just about time. Got the engine hoist again. And engine ready. Got the strap on it. Gonna try to lift it up. I gotta try to do the pilot bushing. Throw the transmission on, well, clutch, flywheel, and all that stuff. Then the transmission. Then we're gonna try to throw it in. So let's try it out. Alright, so I don't have stuff that I'll pull this pilot bushing out with. I don't have bread either, so the other part of the trick, the other thing you could use, I think, for the little trick, obviously the bolt you need, and I'm gonna try grease. So let me get some grease. Got some grease, got a hammer. I honestly don't see this working, but we're gonna try it out for sure. I mean, I have seen videos of it done with bread, so why won't grease work? I don't know what I'm supposed to use to pack this in there with. Give it a nice hit here. Wait a second here. This almost seems like it's working. Haha. Got it? Boom. That's the moment of truth. It's jacked up like that, and I'm gonna attempt to do this by myself. It's probably not gonna happen. I'm probably gonna have to call in for backup, but let's give it a shot. It's the worst that could happen. So, camera died while we were doing that. There was no way I was gonna do that myself, so my father-in-law happened to stop by, so he helped me out, and I got the wife to help too. So, yeah, you ready for this? The exhaust side is just on for show, so watch this. Alright, so it was raining all day, and now since I just did those shots, now the sun's deciding to come out, but I can't take this off the jack stands right now. I am shot. So let's talk a little bit about this, dropping the engine. So the head drain in the back of the I had to clearance the firewall a little bit while putting it in, so now I got to figure out a way to make that not look like shit. I actually wound up having to loosen all the mounts, mainly the ones onto the subframe, just to get the bolts started for my bushings for the engine mounts. And then after I got those in, then I tightened everything down. Then I had to do the transmission, and we are all bolted in. So awesome. So now that this is done over here, now there's just a ton of buttoning up work to do. I should have did it before I dropped the whole engine, but the alternator I gotta do. Actually, I want to try to clean that up first. I have like these other brackets that hold the transmission to the engine. Those have to go on. Hopefully I don't forget those. I gotta write that down. And we gotta start doing things like radiator, intercooler. Gotta clock the turbo so we could try to do intercooler piping. The exhaust, I don't know if, I bought a downpipe, but I don't know if that's gonna fit at all. So might wind up cutting it and just go straight up through the hood. I don't know yet. Fuel pump, I gotta I'm waiting on a gasket for the exhaust manifold. Injectors, fuel pressure regulator, all the good stuff. So I mean, it's a lot left. The fuel lines there, they're gonna get cut back underneath and then converted into braided lines. I have a fuel filter somewhere, so I gotta do that. I'm gonna run new brake lines, but it's getting there. This was like a big hurdle to get this done, and then everything else I feel like it'll come along. It'll take a little bit of time, but it will come along. Only thing I might have to worry about is the turbo location next to the brake booster. Like, I mean, this isn't bolted up yet. It's not bolted up, so I mean, it's close. So I might have to make something to cover that off. When I clock the turbo, it might be close there. So the previous owner or whoever did the swap had some extra shims under the driver's side engine mount, just to kick this way a little bit more. But we'll see how that goes. I don't know if I'm gonna need that or not, but I want to say we're good for today. So if you're getting excited about this, just like me, looks pretty cool right now. That like gold-ish and purple, and then like pink. Looks pretty cool. I think it looks pretty cool. If you're getting excited about this, drop a like on the video, comment, tell me your favorite part of this so far, and then subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, subscribe. If you know anyone that might be interested in this stuff, send them my way and have them subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.